Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2022 Chevy Trailblazer LT all-wheel drive. This has the sun and liftgate package, the convenience package, and the driver confidence package. And let's face it, the Trailblazer is a very popular compact SUV. I think you're going to see why after watching this video. And this has only 33,000 kilometers on the odometer. It is a one-owner vehicle with no accident history, a certified pre-owned vehicle, and an OMS original, which means it was bought here, serviced here, and traded here. Now, underneath the hood, we have a 1.3 liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Now that is a very small 3-cylinder engine, but don't be fooled. You still have 155 horsepower, 174 foot-pounds of torque, which all means that when you want to get up and go, this will boogie, don't worry, but you get the fuel economy of a nice small 3-cylinder. So it's a great kind of compromise there. Now, all-wheel drive as well, and you can see from the side profile here some really great lines on the Trailblazer. It is a head turner. Now, up front here, we've got great looking 17-inch alloy wheels. I love the machine face finish with the nice piano black inserts on there. We've got the satin aluminum roof rails up top, and then the sun and liftgate package does give us a beautiful panoramic sunroof, which you'll see in a minute, plus this power liftgate up back. So the black Chevy bow tie, the black Trailblazer emblems, those are all been blacked out as part of this factory installed package, which I love. The power liftgate here opens up, and you can see there's lots of cargo space back here, which again is why this is so popular as a compact SUV. And then of course you can fold down those rear seats if you'd like for some more room. Maybe go to Costco or IKEA or something like that. Now, coming around the passenger side, this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, which means it has a 150-point inspection. So it does inspections such as the power sunroof, the heated seats, all the stuff that's not part of safety has been inspected on this vehicle. You're going to have a 3-month, 5,000 kilometer limited comprehensive warranty. You have 3 months of satellite radio, plus a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege, and more. There's a lot more benefits. When you call, we will explain all of them to you. Great looking headlights, fog lights, LED lights, everything up front, and then this beautiful black front grille with the black Chevy bow tie really finishes off the sporty look of the Trailblazer. Now let's go take a look in the back seats, and then we'll work our way up front. With the purchase of this Trailblazer, you're going to get 4 free oil changes from us here at Ontario Motor Sales as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us. Now up top, take a look at this huge panoramic sunroof. Great cloth seating in here as well. This is a non-smoker vehicle. And then we have down here a regular power outlet plus 2 USB ports. So lots of ways for everybody to stay plugged in and charged up in here, so that way nobody's sharing cords. There's no fight with the kids in the back. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Up top, again, that nice panoramic sunroof. These are heated seats in the front. And then we have a power driver's seat as well as part of that comfort package. And then hopping in. So here is the interior of this Trailblazer. And look at all the nice material that we have. I love the door panel, the piano black, this nice soft touch dash. It's just really nicely done. You can see again why this is so popular. I mean, it's a level of sophistication in the interior you just don't expect in this price range. Now, safety features include forward emergency braking, blind spot warning in the side view mirrors, lane keeping assist, a nice clear rear view camera, automatic headlights, and more. You can see the odometer there, 33,966 kilometers. We have our cruise control on the wheel. We've got the controls for the center display on the wheel, and then your radio controls are all behind the steering wheel as well. Really kind of creative use of space there. Here's our automatic headlights with the fog lights. And then our infotainment system features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got XM satellite radio as well, so you've got access to that. And don't forget, you get 3 months free because this is a certified pre-owned vehicle. Now, OnStar Services provides you with Wi-Fi in the vehicle and hotspot. So what's really cool about that, if your kids are always trying to hotspot your phone for Wi-Fi, they can now do that in the car, which is really quite convenient. I will say I have it in my truck and I love it. Kids hop in, they're connected. It's a great service from OnStar. Now, putting this in reverse, our nice clear rear view camera. Moving down from that, we have our automatic climate control, which is unexpected again in a vehicle of this price range. Plus we've got the 3-stage heated front seats, some more USB ports up front, auxiliary, 12 volt. And then here we've got our options for the all-wheel drive, sport mode, lane keeping assist, and some other great safety features are all there. And then this center console here with the electronic parking brake. Now, in our vehicle folder, here you can see again, it's an OMS original. This is the vehicle build sheet, and there's about 6 pages of options and features on this. So I've only covered the real kind of cool stuff. I'm sure there's a bunch of other things in here that you can check out and find out for yourself. Here's our 4 free oil changes. And then here is the Carfax 1 owner, no reported accidents. Check this out, 10 service records here at Ontario Motor Sales. So if you were wondering, hey, I wonder if the vehicle's been maintained. Well, 10 service records and 33,000 kilometers. Yeah, it's been maintained all right. So lots of great service history here. This is just a wonderful find. You can reserve this online on our website or come down here to Ontario Motor Sales in the heart of Oshawa. Take the Trailblazer out for a drive. That's what's going to sell you on this. The fact that this drives so nicely in this price range and you get all these great features, it is no wonder why it is so popular. Come check it out here at Ontario Motor Sales. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.